What's up, guys? I'm Kelly, and this is another Safety Second. This week's topic is going to be what I call the chain of command. What do I mean by that? Well, when we're doing a job on site in BC, there could be potentially a lot of people that are talking to us to tell us how to do that job safely. So the chain starts at, number one, work safe regulation, right? Everyone knows what WCB is. They're like the work safe police. So they set a minimum standard for how we're supposed to do our job. Now, a lot of employers and a lot of people will actually use work safe regulations as a maximum standard.
This is the most I'll do, this is the most I have to do.
I hear it all the time as a safety officer, when in fact it is the baseline minimum. So keep that in mind. The second link is going to be our standards associations. So in Canada we have CSA, Canadian Standards Association. A good reference that would be the green triangle that's on your work boots. When in fact, everything used in the workplace in BC has to have some kind of CSA approval, be it fall protection gear, eye protection, basically every part of a piece of mobile equipment and that sort of thing. So that's the CSA standards. The third link is going to be if we're part of any unions or organizations. They'll have their own level of standards that we would have to adhere to. Now, if you're not a part of any union or organization, your company policy, which is link number 4, would definitely come into play. Your own company would have its own set of standards that you'd have to adhere to. Now your company goes and maybe they step out of the yard and they go to a different work site. Then that different work site, be it its own company, would have their own company policy, which would become your work site policy. So let's recap. We have worksafe regulations, standards associations, unions and organizations, your own company policy, and then your worksite policy potentially. That's 5 levels of people that could potentially be talking to you to do your job safely. Now, if any one of those 5 links has a higher or more safe rule in the worksafe regulation, that will become the regulation or the rule that you're adhered to. So there we go. I mean, there could potentially be a lot of people dictating sort of how we do our job safely on site. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, tell your friends, and if you need any training, let us know.